He finds it daunting to create and share fresh and relevant content. After all, nobody likes to spend hours creating new content manually. Bob is no different. This is when he stumbles upon Curatora, a tool that allows him to publish top-notch content on social media using curation. But what exactly is content curation? Content curation helps you discover and summarize good content on the web that your readers will ultimately find valuable. Content curation helps you build credibility as a thought leader in your niche, broaden the depth of the content you share, connect with key influencers by sharing their content. Curatora helps you get the most out of content curation by giving you the right tools to make it happen. Our mobile-first UI helps you save time in choosing the right content. The in-app readable view helps you scan more content distraction-free. It allows you to add annotations to your posts and get better engagement. Right from adding captions to hashtags to mentions, everything. Our AI suggests multiple captions from the content, saving you time in writing engaging captions. Automagically create post images with text overlay without using Canva. Schedule and publish to multiple social media platforms in one click. Also use custom annotations for each platform for better engagement. Regardless of the size of your team, Curatora helps you seamlessly collaborate and curate together. Our AI engine suggests more relevant content for your audience by learning from the performance of your previous posts. Thanks to Curatora, now Bob can discover, curate, and distribute top-notch relevant content that his target audience is eager to read. Spend less time sharing more content that makes your brand stand out. Sign up for a 30-day free trial now.
Alright, let's quickly learn how you can get started with Curatora to discover, curate, and publish amazing content on your social media. Curatora is simple and is built with a mobile-first approach. You can easily download and install the app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once installed, you're free to choose the native login or quickly sign in with Google or Apple. Let's continue with sign in with Apple. Now choose a name for your first content stream and click Next to choose your topics of interest. We have curated thousands of high-quality content sources, neatly categorized by relevant topics. You may choose one or multiple topics to create your content stream. Go through the list of content sources for each selected topic and unsubscribe sources that are of no interest to you. The next obvious step is to connect your social media accounts. Curatora supports all major social media platforms to help you publish content. Let's go ahead and quickly authorize and connect a Twitter account to our content stream. You can always come back to the stream settings page and add more social connections to your content stream. Click Next and move to the stream page. This is your content stream. Here you can go through each post to curate and publish. You can quickly read, add an image, write a caption, and mention influencers from Twitter and publish. You have multiple publishing options here. You can choose to publish instantly, schedule for future, and even queue posts for automatic publishing at a set frequency. That's how easy it is to get started with Curatora. If you need help, please feel free to contact us at support@curatora.io.